Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be showing this amazing part myself and Egarboi just finished working on, and you guys need to go get this pack. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and explore. This pack is fully loaded. The pack has over 140 vocals, for you to play around with. So you guys have been asking me, where do I get my vocals from now? So you have tons of vocals right now to just play around with, to explore. So without talking, let me just show you guys what's in the pack.
Your body they base.
Yeah, they will have this. We have another vocal sample here. And you can decide to just go to the drums. Let's go over to the drum loop and let's carry this and just put it together. Then we also have the melody loop, so you could just go over, still drag the melody and just drag it. Let's put that together, and we have this. Yeah, so you could decide to just play around with it whichever way you want. And like I said, each of this melody has its construction kit. So if you go over to like the melody construction right now, you have each of this sound. You have the bass, which is this. We have the guitar. Then also for the drums, you have the construction. So let's pick, for example, we have the clav. So that, like I said, you can get the one shots from each of these. So you could just, to get the one shot, you can just edit the sample, and I'm just going to show you how you do that. Open it up and just select this region, like right this, just drag it and put it on your channel rack, right? And with that, we now have the one shot. So in case you can do that for each of the one shot or each of the loops in the pack, you can just get the one shot if you like the one shot. Then let's go over to some of the vocals too. Let's go with this motel.
Oh my dear, make you not go forget.
And each of these vocal has its construction kit, so that's what makes the vocal over 140, because you could just decide to use the hook, you could decide to use the chant in the vocal, a lot. It's like
oh my dear,
you need to just go get this pack for yourself, right? Just go get it for yourself and explore. So then let's go over to the drums for this tail. So drum loops for the motel. Let's just drag that in. So we have this.
Oh my dear, make you not go forget. What we do for motel?
Then we can just drag in the melody loops for this for motel. So have this.
Oh my dear, make you not go forget. What we do for motel? Don't get. Oh my dear, make you not go forget.
Yeah, so then like I said, each of them has its construction kits. So it's just for you to explore and enjoy yourself with this pack. Like a lot of amazing samples in this pack, and you should just definitely go get this for yourself and just enjoy creating vibes. Let's see another one. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with Glock. So this another loop.
Drop in a bando. Defense them tryna lock me up.
So we can go pick the drums, and you can just
drop in a bando. Defense them tryna lock me up. So I don't stay there with a magla. Means I can't get, think I need a land roof. Drop in a bando. Defense them tryna lock me up. So I don't stay there with a magla. Means I can't get, think I need a land roof.
Yeah, so these are just like full vibes ready for you to just play around with, use your creativity, just play around with it. So you definitely want to go check out. I can go and show you more and more stuff. So let's go over to Pulse. This is another amazing loop.
I'ma get your body so defined. Come make a tap, this your define. Body so clean, you just a shine. You too fine, define. I'ma get your body so defined. Come make a tap, this your define.
Add the drums.
Define. I'ma get your body so defined. Come make a tap, this your define. Body so clean, you just a shine. You too fine, define. I'ma get your body so defined.
show you guys a tip of what's in this pack. So just go in, explore, and just enjoy creating with this pack. And for real, I really love to see what you guys come up with using this pack. So the link to get this pack is gonna be in the description of this video. Just go get it for yourself, and you're doing an amazing discount, 60% off currently on the pack. So you definitely want to go get it for yourself and enjoy creating enjoy creating with ease. Hope you got something from this video. Hope this update makes sense to you. Definitely want to go check out the Afro Synergy pack. See you guys in the next one. Peace.